Hi there, it's Pascal here, and this video I just want to share. If you don't know, we're in the Momentum Day, and we got a 5 minutes countdown actually. I don't know if you can see the clock. It's 4 minutes, so this video is going to be really quick. We're actually on break, so if you're looking at, that's the venue where we are. So I just want to recap on what Jay Kubassek shared in his timeline and his first speech. He has actually shared like something that it's really powerful. That's why I love the company. It's not just about, I know people think online business is all about marketing and doing all these basic things that people see, and people think everybody's world on social media is great. But what he shared with us is that the three pillars of success is the first step. The first one is stop comparing yourself to other people, and that's just be comfortable in your own skin. And this goes a long way. You can relate this to anything, and if it's something that you want to take away from, if you're not here, something I can give back to you, that is the first step. And the second step is very simple. Just if you want to grow a business, if you want to grow anything in your life, grow people. It's more of leaving a legacy for yourself. If you want to grow business, or you want to grow something like a year, so plant tree. How did he put it? There's a plague to it, but that's what I recapped. Then the last bit is do something for somebody. Always give back without expecting anything back from them, or in any form of way they can repay you. So that's the takeaway from this first session. So if it's something that you want to do, build your life on these pillars, and it will serve you on the long term. Doing it with a clear vision of what you're trying to create. In the process, let your vision not harm any individual or any thought or any negative thing to harm another person. Always be happy for other people's success. In other words, it will always come back to you. That's my share on this first session. I hope you like it, and keep it up, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.